ओके वाव कूल. सो फायनली वी हॅव यू ऑल हिअर. म्हणजे आय थिंक 1.5-2 वर्ष झाली आहेत.
2
वर्ष राईट. आय मीन
Yes.
दॅट्स लाईक अ लॉंग टाइम. आपण नेहमी भेटायचो. इट इज सो मच ऑफ फन. बट इट्स लाईक 2 years ऑफ नथिंग. टोटल डिस्कनेक्ट राईट. I mean,
Absolutely.
it's been
I mean, hardly बाहेर पडलो. You know, 2 years we are all locked up at home.
right.
It was really difficult.
नेहमी आपण बोलायचो की लाईक 12 hours आउटसाइड द हाऊस. सकाळी 8ला निघायचो, रात्री 8ला यायचो. त्यामध्ये 2 hours ऑफ लाईक 4 hours ऑफ कम्युट इन फॅक्ट आणि 8 hours ऑफ ऑफिस. Suddenly everything is gone.
It was difficult for us also. I mean, I really can't imagine how we went through this whole thing, you know. I mean, all of y'all were there and we had to adhere to your schedules and your things. But I remember, okay, now don't put on the mixie, the cooker should not be on, maji meeting ahe, and all those things. You know.
No jhadu pocha in this room.
Oh, mama, please
yes.
move away. My school is on. You can't be seen on camera. Oh, God. It was like
Right.
really.
Following everybody's schedule and according to that,
Right.
working in the house, it was
Yes,
a
it was
tough
it
time.
was definitely
Yeah, it was tough. I mean, you know, that's one side of it. The other side of it is, I mean, for us, you know, some things happening at office, some things happening at home, and the attention, you know, your attention gets divided, so it's difficult to focus. So it was really difficult.
but we could somehow sail through it very smoothly.
Yes.
म्हणजे बाकीचे जे फ्रेंड्स आहेत, कलिग्स आहेत, when we hear from them की like एवढे ते लोक फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, एवढं स्ट्रेस त्यांना, but for us it was so smooth going. And I think one of the big reasons was like we doing meditation on Twin Hearts on daily
Thanks to
basis.
pranic healing.
Absolutely thanks to pranic healing. म्हणजे ते एक मेंटल स्टेटच आपला वेगळा होता. We were able to accept and face any challenge.
Actually, yeah, the thing is, initially it was difficult for us also. I mean, we also went through all that. But like she said, thanks to pranic healing, maybe we knew where to find that balance,
That's
you know,
true.
that otherwise would have been very difficult. Like when we say that, you know, we were doing meditations regularly. Initially, I remembered, complaining, I am not getting any me time and there is no me time. But later on, I realized that it's wonderful because that me time became us time.
Yes,
You know,
right.
sitting
Very
together and doing the meditation.
बरोबर आहे. खरंच आहे.
And doing the meditations with your family. It is
Yes.
absolutely wonderful.
It's blissful. That
Yeah,
is.
you know, before the pandemic, me and Shweta, I think we used to talk for like 1.5 hour. I mean,
Absolutely.
such regular talks. But the moment this started and everything got
Everything
so busy,
Was
Come to a
and
fault.
we lost touch.
we
kind.
lost complete touch
Yes.
with each other.
And you know, I think had it been something else, probably there would have been a lot of misunderstandings and
Absolutely.
probably things would have been tough. But you know, somewhere that 7 o'clock meditation time, we knew that okay, she is also meditating
Right.
there, I am meditating here, and even
And
though
we are together.
Yeah.
We are feeling that oneness.
Oneness.
That we are,
Yes.
though we are not talking to each other, but we still are one.
Yeah, we are connected.
We are connected.
Even with my office teams, you know, there are a lot of people going through stress.
Right.
And even the younger kids, you know, some of them felt a lot of stress because of this strange situation, but meditation helped them.
Yes.
So,
Absolutely. I mean, I remember की असं there is a critical meeting and even suddenly your net goes slow and all. Generally, you know, everybody will panic. Even we
Yeah.
used to panic. But आता it's like, you know, okay, breathe in, breathe out, and then, you know, like just cool down, just calm yourself. आणि मग नंतर sometimes, you know, blessing the internet, you know, the gods, the angels of technology, like, you know, let everything go smoothly, you know, and we could see the effect of that. It was too good. आपली जे घरामध्ये जी भांडणं होतात, हजबंड अँड वाईफ भांडणं इज लाईक इट्स अ
Yes,
गिव्हन.
yes.
भांडी वाजणारच, राईट. पण एक असं होतं की पहिल्या आधी कधी भांडण व्हायचं ना की ते अबोली जे आहे ना ते असं आठवड्यावर चालायचं, यु नो, वी विल नॉट टॉक टू इच अदर फॉर अ वीक. पण आता इट इज लाईक, यु नो, वी जस्ट डू फॉरगिव्हनेस अँड नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग इट्स लाईक, यु नो, एव्हरीथिंग इज बॅक टू
he
नॉर्मल.
gets his breakfast, he gets his lunch, dinner. असं नाही की 1 week he's not
He gets
getting
his
anything.
tea whenever wanted.
Exactly.
He doesn't need to go to the vending machine, right?
Seriously.
So yes, all in all, it helped us a lot. That
Yes.
is there for sure.
Absolutely. One another thing which kept us busy, you know, आणि म्हणजे बऱ्याच लोकांचं असं झालं की ऑफिस झालं, सर्व काय झालं, आता काय म्हणजे, यु नो, दोज वर लाईक 8 hours ऑफ वर्क. आता बाकीचे जे आम्ही 4 तास कम्युट मध्ये घालायचो त्याचा त्या टायमात काय करायचं. बट वन थिंग दॅट केप्ट अस बिझी वॉज दिस सर्व्हिस पार्ट. आपलं जे ऑनलाईन हिलिंग कॅम्प झाले आणि मग नंतर आपण फूड फॉर हंगरी केलं, आपण हे डोनेशन्स वगैरे भरपूर काही ऍक्टिव्हिटीज केल्या. दोज केप्ट अस सो बिझी राईट. आणि एक सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन येत होती. इट्स अ डिफरंट फिलिंग.
I mean, we always talk about power of blessings, right? I mean, when you are either healing or even doing blessings, you feel like you are contributing something, and
Right.
apart from the other benefits, to sense of satisfaction is quite good. So, आमचा घर, that Godbandha Road just goes next to our place. So, ambulance चा आवाज खूप कॉमनली येतो आणि कोविड टाइम्स मध्ये इट वॉज इव्हन मोर कॉमन, राईट? आणि बरेचदा दिसतं की ट्रॅफिक मध्ये अँब्युलन्स अडकलेली आहे आणि देन यू फील बॅड. पण आता ह्याच्यामध्ये नवीन शी स्टार्टेड अ कल्चर ऑफ ब्लेसिंग द पेशंट अँड whoever is stuck. आणि बरेचदा असं दिसतं की मग तो ट्रॅफिक सुरू होतो आणि
Right.
सो यू फील गुड, you feel like you're doing something. So that's amazing. And that technique helps everywhere.
Exactly.
And one more thing happened is because of this, even the girls are now ready. They have
Right.
started
They
blessing.
started
Whenever
blessing.
they hear the siren of the ambulance, they started
Automatically
blessing.
हात असा होतो.
Automatically they
That's
started
true.
blessing.
That's
So
right.
without being too preachy to them, without being on the gyan mode, it's a happy feeling that we are being able to inculcate these, thing into
Yes.
our kids and into our home. So
When we reflect upon the last 1.5 years, I think I don't know if I can say that, but then compared to others, we were in a much luckier situation. कारण की आपल्याकडे हे टूल्स होते आणि आपल्याला भरपूर स्मूथली गेला हा पिरियड.
Actually, one thing to add to this, inner reflection जेव्हा आपण करतो तेव्हा we started realizing it, we started understanding की not only we are making mistakes, the other person has also something to do with
Right.
it. We came to know about it की कसं give and take आहे इथे,
Yes.
and we tried to correct ourselves.
Absolutely.
I think all in all, we are all blessed. Very, very
Seriously,
blessed.
Yeah,
we are
that's
so blessed.
So blessed. That's so true. I think
We can talk
we can
a
talk
lot.
about this for hours together.
Us together.
पण I think आपण आता जेवायला गेलं पाहिजे कारण की it's pretty late in the night.